Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nilkamal Math Tricks. I will take today chapter sequence and series from class 11th CBSE board and class 10th ICSE board. Therefore, it is very important for class 10th and 11th. If you are new in my channel, then subscribe my channel, like and share my video. Let's start this question. Question is that find the name of series of 40, 46, 52, 58 and so on and nth term of this series. Yes, given a pattern 40, 46, 52, 58, but it is not given what is the pattern. We have to find the series of this pattern. Let's start. Here is given 40, therefore it will be T1, that is first term denoted by A, equal to 40, and second term is 46, that is T2 is 46. If T2 minus T1, therefore it will be 46 minus 40, it's 6. And after that, if you find T3 minus T2, this is the T3, therefore 52 minus 46, it will be 6 also. And after that, T4 minus T3, this will be 58 minus 52, this is also 6. We observe here common difference from this to this, this to this, this to this. Common difference is same here. T2 minus T1 6, T3 minus T2 6, T4 minus T3 6. Therefore, we can say that common difference D is 6. If common difference 6 from each two successive terms, such types of series is AP series. Therefore, we can say that this series is AP series, arithmetic progression. Therefore, it will be 40, so on. Want to find the nth term of this series, we know that if Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, n is not given here, the number of term of the series, therefore Tn equal to A is the first term 40, n minus 1 into D, D is 6, multiply it 40 plus 6n minus 6, it will be 34 plus 6n. Therefore, Tn equal to 34 plus 6n, and this is the nth term of this series. Hence, today's topic finished. We see in the next video. Thank you for watching.